For today's series, ituturo ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng artisan pizza dough. Let's get started. This is Pearsmith stand mixer and today gagawa tayo ng pizza dough. Sa isang container na may cover, pagsamay lang natin yung water, a pinch of yeast, and flour. Shake well and ferment natin for about 24 hours. After 24 hours, ito na itsura niya. I-transfer natin sa stainless steel mixing bowl ng Pearsmith. Then mag-add tayo ng water, flour, and salt. Using dough hook ng Pearsmith, i-mix natin from low to medium speed until fully developed. Then mag-add tayo ng oil and mix in low speed until well incorporated. Kapag elastic na yung dough, rest and cover for 1 hour. Yung Pearsmith mixer merong 1500 watts power na kahit daw kaya niyang i-mix. Meron siyang whisk attachment for cakes and also paddle for creaming method. Meron siyang 10-speed control at pulse function. Together with 5.5 mixing bowl. After natin i-rest yung dough, i-divide lang natin into 2 portion at ilagay into separate containers. Then cold fermentation for 24 hours. After 24 hours ng fermentation, pwede nyo na siyang gamitin. Pwede kayo maglagay ng pizza sauce, choice ng toppings and cheese. I-bake at high temperature na 230 degrees Celsius until done.